How I became a successful entrepreneur without losing time, money, or hope. Have you ever asked yourself why some people manage to start businesses, grow them fast, and achieve massive success, while others struggle for years, lose money, and almost give up before they even see results? What if I told you that becoming a successful entrepreneur doesn't have to be a painful journey filled with mistakes, stress, or wasted time, that there's a way to start smart, avoid costly errors, and achieve your business goals faster than you ever imagined? The truth is, ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs when they follow a proven process. They don't rely on luck, huge amounts of capital, or special connections. They act with purpose, clarity, and strategy. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. The exact steps I took to become a successful entrepreneur without losing time, money, or hope. The first thing you need is clarity of purpose. You cannot build a successful business if you don't know why you're doing it. Most people start businesses chasing money or freedom, but those alone are not enough to keep you going when challenges come. You need to ask yourself, why do I want to be an entrepreneur? What problem am I solving? How do I want to impact people's lives? Clarity of purpose becomes your anchor. It helps you make better decisions, stay focused, and push through difficult times. Every successful entrepreneur I know started with a clear why. That clarity gave me the motivation to keep going even on days when nothing seemed to work. Without purpose, it's easy to get distracted, lose hope, and quit before you even reach your first milestone. Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment, yes. If you don't like it, comment, no, to let me know so I can make another better video for you this week. Now, let's get started. The second step is understanding your strengths and weaknesses. Before investing time or money, evaluate yourself honestly. What skills do you already have that will help you succeed? Where are you weak, and what areas will require learning or support? Many beginners fail because they overestimate what they can do and underestimate what they cannot handle. By knowing your strengths, you can maximize your impact. By acknowledging your weaknesses, you can prepare, learn, or get help. This step alone can save you months of wasted effort and prevent costly mistakes. Next, market research is critical. Before launching any business, you must understand your audience. Who are your potential customers? What problems are they facing? How are other businesses solving those problems, and how can you do it better? Market research isn't just about looking at competitors. It's about understanding people's needs, desires, and pain points. When I started, I spent weeks talking to potential customers, observing trends, and studying competitors. That research helped me avoid assumptions that could have cost me time and money. Testing your idea before fully committing ensures that your business solves real problems and attracts real customers from day one. The fourth step is planning before taking action. Many people think entrepreneurship is all about action, taking risks, launching products, and hustling hard. Action is important, yes, but without a plan, it often leads to chaos. Before starting, create a roadmap. What you will sell, who you will sell to, how you will reach them, and what resources you will need. A plan doesn't have to be perfect, but it will give you focus, reduce unnecessary mistakes, and guide your steps in the right direction. Equally important is developing the right mindset. Entrepreneurship is as much mental as it is practical. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty are normal, but they should not control your decisions. I had to develop confidence, patience, and resilience to stay on track. Many people fail before they start because they let fear stop them, overthink every decision, or give up when progress is slow. A strong mindset lets you see opportunities where others see obstacles and keeps you moving even when challenges appear. Validating your idea is another step many beginners skip. I didn't build a product or service blindly. I started small, tested my idea with a handful of people, gathered feedback, and improved. Validation allowed me to refine my business before investing heavily in it. Every successful entrepreneur knows the importance of testing, learning, and adjusting before scaling. Validation saves money, time, and energy while increasing your chances of success. Financial preparation is essential. Even small businesses require funds to operate. I planned exactly how much I could invest safely without risking my personal life or family. I tracked expenses, separated personal and business finances, and set aside contingency funds. Many people fail because they ignore financial planning and panic when unexpected costs arise. Proper preparation ensures your business can survive early challenges and grow steadily. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment "yes" below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. Building a support system also made a huge difference. I connected with mentors, peers, and other entrepreneurs who had already walked the path. Their guidance, encouragement, and advice helped me avoid mistakes and make faster, smarter decisions. Surrounding yourself with experienced, supportive people is one of the fastest ways to shorten your learning curve and avoid unnecessary struggles. Skill development is another critical step. I identified the key skills I would need: marketing, sales, communication, leadership, and financial management, and worked on them before fully launching. Developing the right skills early gives you confidence, reduces mistakes, and allows you to handle challenges more effectively. Many beginners fail because they don't invest in themselves before taking action. Setting realistic goals is vital. When starting a business, avoid the trap of thinking you will make millions overnight. Break your vision into achievable milestones: your first 50 customers, your first 100 sales, or your first profit month. Small wins build momentum, teach valuable lessons, and keep you motivated to keep going. Goal setting also provides clarity on the steps you need to take daily, weekly, and monthly to reach larger objectives. Legal and administrative preparation is something many entrepreneurs overlook. I ensured my business was registered correctly, understood licenses, taxes, and regulations, and set up the proper documentation. Ignoring these steps can lead to serious problems later, from fines to operational setbacks. A legal foundation allows you to focus on growth and operate with confidence from the start. Branding and positioning were next. I clearly defined my business identity, what made it unique, and how I wanted customers to perceive it. Branding is not just a logo, it's the promise you deliver to your audience. Strong branding attracts customers, builds trust, and creates long-term loyalty without spending a fortune on advertising. Marketing strategy is another critical piece. I planned how to reach my audience, which channels to use, and how to test campaigns effectively. Instead of spending large amounts blindly, I started small, measured results, and scaled what worked. Planning your marketing before launching ensures you will have customers from the start and prevents wasted investment. Resilience is non-negotiable. There were setbacks, slow periods, and mistakes along the way. Instead of giving up, I treated every challenge as a lesson, adapted, and moved forward. Resilient entrepreneurs grow faster because they don't let failures or obstacles stop them. Consistency became my secret weapon. Showing up daily, taking small actions, and improving every day built a strong foundation for growth. Success is rarely about big, one-time actions. It's about repeated effort over time. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs because they commit to daily progress and refuse to quit. Technology played a huge role. I leveraged social media, automation tools, and online platforms to reach more people efficiently and compete with larger businesses. Using technology strategically allows you to scale faster, save time, and increase impact without enormous investment. Patience is another key factor. Real growth takes time. I celebrated small victories, learned from mistakes, and continuously improved. Impatience often leads to poor decisions and early quitting, but patience builds a sustainable business that can thrive for years. Most importantly, action beats perfection. Waiting for the perfect plan or perfect product delays results. Taking action, learning from experience, and adapting along the way is what leads to success. You cannot succeed by waiting. You succeed by doing. If you want a complete, proven roadmap to become a successful entrepreneur without losing time, money, or hope, my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure, is designed for you. In this course, you'll discover step-by-step actions, strategies, and tools to prepare, start, and grow your business smartly. Click the link in the description below to access the course and start your journey today. Remember, ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs by preparing properly, taking deliberate actions, learning continuously, and staying disciplined. Success doesn't come to those who guess or wait. It comes to those who plan, act, and persist. Before starting your business, take time to clarify your purpose, understand your strengths and weaknesses, research your market, plan your actions, develop the right mindset, validate your idea, prepare financially, build a network, develop skills, set realistic goals, handle legal requirements, position your brand, plan marketing, and cultivate resilience and consistency. These steps will prepare you to launch your business with confidence and reduce the risk of early failure. Success is not about luck, connections, or guessing. It's about preparation, action, and persistence. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs because they follow proven steps and act with purpose. Click the link in the description below to access my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure, and discover exactly how to build a profitable business from scratch, avoid common mistakes, and grow into a successful entrepreneur. The course gives you the full roadmap, step by step, for starting smart and achieving real results. Your journey begins today. Take action, prepare properly, stay consistent, and your business will grow. Ordinary beginnings can lead to extraordinary outcomes when you follow the right steps, learn, and stay persistent. Don't wait another day. Click the link, get the course, and start building your successful business today. The difference between wasting time, money, and hope, and creating a profitable, thriving business is preparation. Ordinary people succeed when they do the right things before starting and act with clarity, strategy, and persistence. Today, your future begins with the decision to act. Take action, follow the steps, and create the life and business you've always wanted. Click the link, access the course, and discover how to become a successful entrepreneur without losing time, money, or hope. Your story of success starts today, with preparation, action, and smart decisions. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs when they follow the right roadmap. Take that step now. Click the link and start your journey to a profitable business today. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Expect our next video this week. Take care of yourself. You're more resilient than you know. Thanks for watching.